What does it take to become a millionaire in today's world? Is it a secret formula or sheer hard work? These are the questions that have sparked curiosity and intrigue in the minds of many. As we venture into the year 2024, the quest to unravel the code of becoming a millionaire remains as enticing as ever. The journey to wealth is a unique one. It's not a one-size-fits-all phenomenon. Some people inherit their wealth, others build it from scratch. Some people strike it lucky, while others toil tirelessly day in, day out. But amidst this diversity, there exist certain universal principles, certain common threads that bind these stories of financial success together. One of these threads is the willingness to take risks, the courage to step out of the comfort zone and venture into the unknown. Another is the unwavering belief in one's abilities, the confidence to back oneself even when the odds are stacked against you. And yet another is the relentless pursuit of excellence, the determination to be the best at what you do. One such story of success is that of Alex Hormozi, who has carved his own path to becoming a millionaire. His journey is a testament to these principles, a real-life example of what it takes to become a millionaire in today's world. Alex Hormozi wasn't born with a silver spoon in his mouth. His journey to wealth was paved with lessons learned, risks taken, and an unyielding determination. Alex Hormozi's story begins in a place that most of us can relate to. He wasn't born into wealth, he didn't have a trust fund waiting for him, and he certainly didn't win the lottery. His beginnings were humble, just like yours and mine. But what set Alex apart was not his circumstances, but his mindset. Alex didn't see his situation as a limitation, but rather as motivation. He used his humble beginnings as a springboard, pushing him to strive for more. His story is a testament to the power of resilience, a trait that would become his guiding principle throughout his journey. His path wasn't an easy one. There were struggles, there were setbacks, but there was also determination. Alex faced each challenge head-on, never shying away from a risk if it meant getting him a step closer to his goals. In Alex's world, there was no room for fear, only room for growth. But resilience and risk-taking alone didn't pave Alex's road to wealth. It was his innovative spirit, his ability to spot opportunities where others saw obstacles that set him apart. Alex wasn't just a dreamer, he was a doer. He knew that ideas without action are just dreams, and he was not about to let his dreams remain just that. Every decision he made, every risk he took, was a calculated one. He understood that success is not about making the right decisions all the time, but about learning from the wrong ones. For Alex, failure was not a dead end, but a detour, a chance to reassess, and come back stronger. And so his determination, his resilience, his innovation, and his smart decision-making led him to where he is today. His journey is a testament to the power of a can-do attitude and the importance of never giving up no matter how tough the road gets. And so, Alex Hormozi became a millionaire not by chance or luck but through a combination of hard work, smart decisions, and a never-give-up attitude. So, what's the secret to becoming a millionaire like Alex Hormozi? Let's distill the essence of Alex's journey into a few key points. First, resilience. Alex didn't become a millionaire overnight. He faced challenges, setbacks, and failures, but he never gave up. He kept pushing, learning, and growing. Next, innovation. Alex didn't follow a worn path. He broke new ground, finding unique solutions to complex problems. He was always on the lookout for better ways to do things, never settling for good enough. Smart decision-making is another crucial factor. Alex knew when to take risks and when to play it safe. He understood that every decision, big or small, can have a profound impact on your journey. And of course, hard work. There's no substitute for rolling up your sleeves and putting in the time and effort. Alex's success didn't come from luck or chance. It came from countless hours of dedication and sweat. In the end, the journey to becoming a millionaire is not about the destination, but about the lessons learned, the character built, and the lives touched along the way.